Hello everyone, my name is Sung Hwan and I'm with Swift Engine. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to add an entry to Elasticsearch and get it with Swift Engine. In the previous video, we learned to create an account on Elastic Cloud and make a connection to the cluster with Swift Engine. So in today's video, we will learn to add an entry to the Elasticsearch and check if entry was correctly added by getting an entry. Shall we check out the website before we add an entry? Okay, and there are three required metadata elements that have to be created, and those are index, type, and ID. Let's go to the Elasticsearch. You just type Elasticsearch guide and it should show you some guide, right? So if you come here, this is the document. You can learn all about the Elasticsearch. Starting with the getting started, I guess. You can go on and learn about stuff. So if you need more information about Elasticsearch, this is where you should go. Before I start with the actual coding, I want to explain what an index is. An index is a collection of documents that should be grouped together for a common reason. It is name of a collection type that will hold same documents. Type, it's just specification of index. If index is Apple products, iPhone would be a type. So I would tell you that index kind of works as a table in database, and since iPhone would be a type, that should be a variable that indicates one of a kind within the table. I'm not going to talk about ID. Hint is, ID stands for identification. Hopefully you guys know what I'm talking about. Log in. I already logged in. Get to your product. Following along with the tutorial we had last time, I'm just going to the tutorial.ssp, and we already have some stuff here. So let's comment out those two unnecessary stuff now. And just for your information, this is get information about Elasticsearch and your Elasticsearch Elastic server from the So believe it or not, coding is very self-explanatory. Swift Engine software is very readable and writable. Let's start coding. Let add entry. So we're gonna add entry first, and you do that by always try catch, but I'm just gonna do a try statement. Elasticsearch.add entry. As I said, the method name is very clear. You need three types. What are those? Index, type, and ID. So index, for index, I'm gonna call it tutorial. Oh gosh, sorry guys, I'm making a lot of typo today. And then type is going to be simply a test. And then for ID, since it's going to be the first one, let's call it ID. Lastly, we put data in it, and that data is going to contain a JSON data, just a simple dictionary that holds message is hello world. So that should be good enough. Response, JSON, add entry, and dictionary object. Let's see if we get the response. Hopefully there's no error. Tutorial.ssp. Ooh, there's an error. Let me see what kind of mistake I made. So error, incorrect argument label in call index type ID date. Oh, I called it a date. It should be data. Should do. And now we added an entry with bunch of information, just 3. test, ID 1, and then index tutorial. So successful here, total 2. All you have to know is that it's successfully entered to the system. And then now let's try to get an entry. So getting an entry is pretty simple. It's very similar to add entry. Get entry. I'm going to comment this out. Get entry. Try as add entry tutorial. Type test, and then ID 1, and then let's. You don't need. I don't think you need the data for searching. Getting an entry. I mean, so we're gonna change this to get entry, and usual response JSON get entry the dictionary object. Let's see what happens. So we found that message hello world test. Everything seems correct. Thank you for watching this tutorial. See you guys in the next video.